Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's video. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, 2014 by xfactortrader.com. Let's get right to the SPY. It's catching beautiful support here on the SPY right here on the 50-day moving average. I told you guys this is the range. Now a lot of people think trading is impossible. No, it's not really. If you know how to read these charts, it's really not that hard. In the last few videos, how was I able to call a reversal on the next day after this reversal bearish engulfing candle? How did I know that there's going to be support here and that we should pause or minimally bounce from this level? How did I know that? Just simply reading the charts. I mean, I called out this range, the 50-day moving average and this pivot high. So this is our range. It's perfectly trading within that range right now. So right now we got a little bounce here off the SPY daily close on the daily candle. So every candle you see is a daily worth of trading. Okay, guys. Now I did say this was potentially a minor bounce, an intraday bounce, and it did come out to be that way. We did get a fake flush during the intraday session. Let's go on a 10-minute chart. This is always very important when you see a flush out like this and you see a reversal candle right after it. So this was clearly a false breakdown, and sure enough, you got a nice up move for the rest of the day. So I think this should be a nice short-term bottom for the next coming days. Okay, this could be a nice little short-term low put in on an intraday basis. Should last for a day or two. Let's see how that plays out. This 50-day is going to be important because if this breaks, honestly, it's pretty much lights out for this market, and it's headed right to the 200 in my honest opinion. So this is going to be a very, very important position spot right here in the SPY. The 200, just watch the 50-day, and you can see it was saved. Okay, a lot of things that made me catch that was a lot of these stocks. I'm sorry, a lot of these stocks right here, like Google. These leading stocks are getting nice little doji candles here. I like this how it recaptured this trend line. Remember, if you recall in my last video, I said that I didn't like this doji because it made it right below support. Okay, actually, but it recaptured it intraday. It gapped up. On a gap up, that's a very powerful signal. On a gap up, it recaptured it. On a gap up, and then wow, nice surge to the upside. Pretty much all day long. It was pretty much oversold, so that's another good signal. And the stochastic indicator is below this red line, so that was another signal that it's oversold, and it is extended pretty much from the 50 and the 20-day moving average. So all these indicators show that it did look bearish here, but like I said, it did need another digestion or like a reflex action. Okay, after this nice candle it made here, after a really nice bear flag already, so it's getting a nice retracement at the moment on Google. A lot of these other stocks I called for a bounce as well. Facebook didn't quite get there. It is getting another second day bounce today. Nice little retrace. Just dollars, pennies off my buy level here. Just missed the gap fill by a little bit. Netflix continued to be in the money on that one. For a nice swing long there on Netflix. Netflix is acting very beautiful right at the moment at that gap fill level, 200-day moving average. Really simple. Call this out in the free trade alert. So check us out at xfactortrader.com. Call this out, this level, printed it out, screenshotted it. Gap fill, 200-day moving average, 50-week moving average on the weekly chart. And sure enough, you're getting nice little upside potential right now. Nice follow through on Netflix. This is a buy. Called it off for the past few days. Netflix is a buy. So you could be riding this right now. I'm in it. So you guys just keep following the trade alerts, okay, guys, at our website. Let's also look at the XLF. XLF made a nice little doji candle, and we are getting follow through. Actually got that doji candle today right on that 50-day moving average, so I'm expecting for this market to get a nice retracement today. This is the range. I've called this out as well on the XLF. That's why I have these lines drawn in right here, these parallel lines. This is your range right here on the XLF, and a lot of these other indexes look like they want to bounce. See if they can get another second day continuation bounce here. Let's look at the Qs. Also getting a nice little reflex bounce here, nice little bounce here on the Qs. Look at the IWM. Just want to do a quick update, guys. Not much. I called it there's going to be a bounce today. Sure enough, we got that. So I just wanted to do a little quick update on you for you guys. I don't want to leave you guys hanging. And there you go on an IWM. Said had a good chance to catch support on the 150-day. Sure enough, we're getting that. Let's look at some of these other stocks like Ford. Ford is getting a little bounce today, but this is more of a neutral chart. See if it continues to trade within this recaptures inside this little channel here, but still a neutral chart for me unless it breaks this neckline. I think this is my new bias for it. It looks like it wants to make a bigger head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart, but once again, rating Ford as a neutral. Let's look at Twitter. Twitter is coming to my buy level, very, very close, very beautiful. I mean, no one's going to want to touch the stock until it gets to this level. It makes a no-brainer. I mean, this is the IPO low. It's a nice inside bar pattern, 100% retracement from this move. So beautiful spot to play it long here. This is my another free trade alert I gave for you guys at xfactortrader.com. Check this out. Check that tab under the website for free trade alerts. Twitter is one of them. I posted a few days ago that it should get to this level, and it's a buy. It's right in that range at the moment right here. Your first nibble, you can start nibbling even now, or to $40.50. That's a very nice low risk, high reward trade. And I think you can hold it minimally for a month, because if you look at the monthly chart, that's where the pattern is showing the beautiful inside bar pattern here. Nice volume too on this big green up move. Okay, it ignited the stock, right, in late 2013. Now it's kind of just making nice inside bar consolidations on lower, nice inside consolidation bars on lower volume. Okay, look at that. So that's going to be very, very, very intriguing to watch. Okay, see if I can pull this back here. So this is your entry right here. Very nice. Okay, so it might need to make a doji here for the month, so it's not, it might not be ready to go yet, but for another month or two, this is definitely a nice opportunity to pick up Twitter on the long side. So do look out for that. That's the daily chart on Twitter. I think that's everything else I wanted to go through today. Just wanted to do a quick update on this evening. It's fine evening. If you guys have any questions, any ticker symbols you want me to go over, I would be happy to do that. Go ahead, just send those in the YouTube comment box. And I've been doing that lately, so a lot of you guys have been pretty satisfied with that. So continue to do so. I will check you guys later. Have a great evening. Check us out. We have a 15-day free trial at xfactortrader.com. Do check us out, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.